How to turn off comments on Instagram Story in just a few easy steps. First, find the Instagram app on your phone and open it up. Log in if you're not already. Next, tap on your profile picture in the bottom right corner of the screen. This will take you to your profile page. Look for 3 horizontal lines, like a hamburger, in the top right corner of your profile. Tap on those to open a menu and then choose Settings. Scroll down until you see the Privacy option and tap on it. This is where you can control how people interact with you. Under the Interactions section, find and tap on Story. This is where you can adjust settings just for your stories. You'll see an option called Story Comments. Here, you can pick who can comment on your stories. If you want to turn off comments completely, just select Off. This way, nobody can comment on your stories at all. After you make your choice, just exit the settings. Don't worry, your changes are saved automatically. Thank you so much for watching this video. Subscribe.